This video will demonstrate the correct way to measure a limited edition print when you want the title and signature visible when framed. The ground rules. Number 1. Always use a proper metal tape measure, never a cloth one. Number 2. Always measure everything twice and be precise to the nearest millimeter. A limited edition print is typically mounted, so there is an even amount of the print's own border shown at the top and bottom, and a drop at the bottom so the title and signature is shown. You would normally leave around 10 mm of the own border showing top and sides, so you should set your tape measure with 10 mm of border showing on the left and right hand sides. The tape measure should also be set with 10 mm of border at the top, and as required at the bottom to ensure the title and signature have adequate space. You should also note down the external size of the print, as you want to ensure the frame size is larger than the print so it doesn't need to be trimmed down. With both the sizes noted down, you can move on to ordering the frame and mount. On our website, you should enter the first width and height measurements noted down. It is important you select the exact size option in the Mounts tab, as we have already had part of the print being overlapped. It is also important the external mount size is greater than the external width and height you previously noted down. If it isn't, you will need to increase the border widths. If you have measured correctly, the mount aperture should show the correct amount of the image and border. The mount and image should also fit perfectly into the opening at the back of the frame. Finally, we would recommend selecting the optional barrier board when you create your frame and mount for any limited edition print, as this will protect the back of print. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.